So today's video, I'm going to go over how I did the Hi Barbie Trend in less than 5 hours. Before I even start to go into the nitty gritty about that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like anything fashion, if you like everything crochet, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you can see when I post all my videos. Basically, my brand, like the theme of my brand is already pink. So it was pretty easy for me to like get right into it. I only had like 3 outfits that I had already made prior to this trend that like fit the Barbie theme. So I did use those 3 items, those 3 looks that I had or whatever. So I did have to make 3 other looks that, I had in mind, for this trend. And I kind of want to go over like, what the items were. So the first item, I of course wanted to have the Barbie logo on something, right? So I got my little sister, of course, she's my model. She models everything that, I make, everything, like she's the face of my brand. So I'm like lucky to have her because like I could just call, like whenever I make something, hey, Nor, come wear this, and she there. So it was pretty easy as far as that, because I don't wear my own stuff. I don't know why. Sometimes I do, like when I go out and stuff, but as far as making content, she does that. So back to like me making my clothes. The first item, it was I got some shorts from her, right? Some little like, the shorts that's like got fringes and stuff on the bottom. And I put the logo on, like the Barbie logo on there. So, cause I couldn't do the logo. I couldn't do the theme. What is it called? I couldn't do the trend. Can't mess my words up. I couldn't do the trend without having an item that has the Barbie logo on it, right? So I got the shorts, made the Barbie logo. Also, y'all could go see, I got a shorts video about like me talking over, what is going on today? I cannot talk.
Me talking, doing the voiceover of me making the shorts, whatever.
I'm stupid. But, yeah, so I put the Barbie logo on it, took a pencil, drew the logo on it, got some paint from the dollar store, painted it up. It looks so cute. And then since of course my brand is based around crochet, I had to have something crochet on the shorts. So I put some little cute crochet balls on the side, right? So that was look 1. And I already had a shirt to go with, like I already made a shirt like prior to the trend to go with it. So that was 1 look, right? That was the first look. That was the look that said, I think it was Hi Barbie. Oh no, it was Hi Ken. That was that look, the first one. Hi Ken. So then the second one, I don't know if I'm going, like I'm not gonna go in order because I don't remember like what outfit was first, second, third, fourth. I remember the first one, that's it. But the ones after that, I don't remember like what order was in or whatever. But the second outfit I had to make, it was a 2-piece, right? The pink 2-piece. And that literally took me like an hour and a half to make. I had to pick something, right, like that would be quick to make. And because I'm always like making tops and stuff like that, so I wanted to make like a complete look. So I did the skirt and the top. And that took me an hour and a half, literally. Like hour and a half watching Jocelyn Cabaret, okay? So the third look that I had to make, no, that was it. I only had to make them 3 items. I only had to make like them 3 items. So, the shorts took about, I think the shorts took an hour. The shorts took an hour, and a 2-piece took an hour and a half. Okay, so that's 2 hours and a half, or 2.5 hours. So then I had to go get my, the other items that I already made was in storage, which is like 15 minutes from my house. So I drove there, got the, stuff out of storage, came back, and, laid everything out or whatever. So as far as, let me look at my notes because I don't want to be going all over the place and stuff. Oh, okay. So I want to like kind of talk about like the other looks that was in the trend. Like the gummy bear top with the pocketbook, the flared like skirt, which I call the Serena skirt, and my checker outfit, which was in there too with the hat. It had a skirt and a hat. So those 3 items. So the checker hat, I made about 2.5 years ago. I made it in 2.5 years, like 2 summers ago. I made that joint, and it's been in like 10 runway shows, fashion shows, like 5 photo shoots. So that joint was super, super old. And I kind of like, it is kind of Barbie themed, so, or Bratz theme type of thing. So I kind of put that in there. That was the one that I already had. The gummy bear, I literally made like 3 weeks before the trend hit, right? It wasn't even because obviously people knew the Barbie movie was coming out, but I wasn't even thinking about the Barbie movie when I made that joint. I usually like make tops and stuff like that, and then I'll make gummy bears, like stuff like that for the kids or whatever. But I'm like, why not put them together? That's smart, right? It's fashionable, stylish, and everything. So I'm like, all right, that's a good look. And the pocketbook that she took the picture in with the gummy bear, I already made that pocketbook. That was on the runway like 10 million times, and I thought that'll go cute with that, right? So what was the other outfit? Let me look. Oh, the Serena skirt. Oh my gosh, the Serena skirt is my favorite look. Like, if it's not your favorite look, it better be the gummy bear one. But Serena skirt, which is the flare like pink skirt, that's everybody's favorite look. Like, that's been on the runway only like 3-4 times, and it's been in like 1 photo shoot, I think. So that right there is my favorite look. I'm like, she gotta kill this, because you know, she's already worn that skirt before on the runway, but this was different because, you know, the Barbie theme, it literally went well, like perfect with the Barbie theme. So those was the, how many outfits? I'm so slow, y'all. It was the, hold on, how many outfits was the gummy bear? That's one. Checker outfit, Serena skirt, the Barbie shorts, and what am I missing? Furry shorts. Tell me what I'm missing, y'all. What the heck? Oh, the 2-piece. Oh my gosh, I'm so slow. The 2-piece that I made. So yeah, those are the 5 outfits. I was gonna make 3 extra outfits. Well, 6 outfits altogether, but I didn't have enough time. And then, oh yeah, so the shoot in itself, all right, so I didn't even tell you, I'm sorry. It took me 15 minutes to get there, 15 minutes to get back. That's a half an hour. So altogether we got me making the outfit, the 2-piece outfit, which was an hour and a half. Me doing the Barbie shorts was an hour, so 2.5 hours. Going to get the outfits and stuff from the storage, 15 minutes there, 15 minutes back, so that's a half an hour. So that's 3 hours, right? 3 hours, I think. Yeah, 3 hours, right? 2.5 hours plus 30 minutes is 3 hours. So it took us like probably like 4. I'm tripping. Not 4 hours. It took us an hour and like 15 minutes to like complete each look, you know, like complete, like, you know, her taking a picture. I mean, her taking the video in each outfit, because we also took pictures and different other videos too. So that took like an hour for each, not for each outfit. I can't talk today, y'all. Sorry, you know, be patient with me. Yeah, so that took about an hour. The whole shoot, basically. The shoot took an hour. So that's 4 hours right there. And then I guess if you want to add like editing, you know, posting the video and everything, that took like 40 minutes. So that's like 4 hours and a few minutes or whatever. Excuse me. So yeah, I had fun with it. Oh yeah, this is what I meant to tell y'all. Originally, we were supposed to do the whole shoot at the movie theaters, like, you know, because I think the movie theater around my way has the Barbie box. So we were supposed to go there and you know, before we watched the movie, we were supposed to take the pictures and stuff like that, do a photo shoot in the movie theater, which is gonna be ghetto, but who cares? But Nora wound up like, what happened? Oh, okay. So we were supposed to do it like a couple weeks before, no, a couple days before we actually did it. But one, I didn't have like enough outfits. And two, Nora had to work. So we had a lot going on. So we just did it the day we did it, and we did it in our home, basically. We do all our photo shoots either in the house or outside the house, or at a park or something, which is like, you know, the easiest because we don't want to pay somewhere to, you know, do our photo shoot. We can do it for free. You feel me? Like, that don't make sense. But that's pretty much it. Like, that's pretty much it. It was pretty easy. It was so much fun. And even posting it, I'm like, I gotta get this right. I gotta get this right. Because I was super late with the trend. Like, the trend came out, what? 6 days before we even dropped it. Like, we were 6 days late. But I always say better late than never. And we got it done. Shout out to my sister Nora. She slayed the Barbie. And if you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see crochet tutorials, if you want to, you know, be inspired by, you know, how to start a crochet business, if you want to, anything fashion for real, anything fashion, because it's not just crochet for real, anything fashion, like fashion shows, photo shoots, all that is going to be implemented into my page, so, or my channel, I should say. So you definitely want to subscribe. You definitely want to tune in to more videos that I have coming soon. And here's the video.
Hi, Ken.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.